Hey, it's the Cooking Doc here. Today I'm going to show you how to massage your kale. Massaging kale seems like a kind of nonsense thing if you're going to put it in a salad, but it really can make the difference between an unbelievable kale dish and kind of a not thought out, not taste good, never want to eat kale again kind of kale dish. And the reason is because kale is a very tough vegetable. It's a green leafy vegetable. This is lacinato kale, and there are a bunch of different kinds of kale. This one is one of my favorite. I think it's one of the tastiest, but it's got all these tense veins in it, and really when you eat it, it's not a good mouth feel unless you make the kale tender enough so that it really kind of pops in your mouth with the flavor. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these leaves first and we're going to strip them away from the stem. Important to wash and dry your kale well, because kale can have a lot of grit in it if you're not careful. So now that we got these great kale leaves, we're gonna chop them and put them in a big bowl. I like my kale leaves to be bite-sized. I'm gonna take all our leaves, we're just gonna make some nice slices long ways. And then just right across. So now we've got our kale in these bite-sized pieces. We're gonna put it in a big bowl. I got a nice big wooden bowl here. Let's put all our kale in there. I'm gonna just make sure it's dried. Now here comes the fun part. So in order to make the kale taste good and really kind of melt in your mouth, if we're gonna eat it raw, it needs to be massaged. So you can get a lot of flavor out of your kale using these ingredients. So we have the best extra virgin olive oil you can find, a little bit of kosher sea salt, and a chopped clove of garlic. And we are gonna pour that all into our bowl. Olive oil, just a pinch of sea salt. It's about a teaspoon of olive oil, pinch of sea salt, and then a clove of chopped garlic. And now I want you to look at the color of that kale. Now watch what happens after we massage it. So you can feel that it's a really kind of rough vegetable. It's not tender at all. But if we take these little pieces and we rub them good with that olive oil and the salt and the garlic, the flavor just kind of infuses throughout these kale leaves, and the color changes. So you see it goes from being kind of that boring green color to like a much darker green color. And as it starts to change color, you can really kind of feel that it becomes much more tender between your fingers. Now if you're using kale and cooking it, you don't need to massage it beforehand. This is just for your raw kale salad. Once you have a base like this, there are a million things you can do with it. You can put lemon on top. You can put a little bit of goat cheese on it. You can put some cranberries in there. You can mix some shredded carrots. This is your base, and this is the way to make your kale taste good, and the way to make kale go from a healthy eating fad to something that really you can incorporate in your diet over the long run. It's a very healthy vegetable. It's full of vitamins A, C, and K, and it's very high in potassium and also calcium. So a very important vegetable. Incorporate it in your diet, massage it before you use it, and make sure you change your buds, learn to use kale in your dining recipes, and we'll see you next time.